Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are fine. Your friend Jim is here to share more about English literature around the world. Today I have selected Toni Morrison 1931 as a topic for my video. Let's start our video from the setting slide. Toni Morrison, the Pulitzer and Nobel Prize winner, American author, born on 18 February 1931. Toni Morrison's novels are known for their epic theme, vivid dialogues, richly detailed black characters. The Bluest Hour, Song of Solomon, Beloved, such like novels can be attributed to Toni Morrison. In her novel, she focuses on the black American experiences in an unjust society, mythic elements along with realistic depiction, racial, gender, and class conflict. Morrison became a member of American Academy of Arts and Literature in 1981. Harlem is the setting of the novel Jazz, written by Toni Morrison. Publication date 1992. Media type print, hardback and paperback, page 229. ISBN 0679411674. The novel Jazz, about black women suffering in a racist culture, Joe and Violet Traces, dwindling away, marital life and old doggers, all issues tapped. Amateur relationship of Joe and Dorcas lasts for 3 months only. The novel ends with dancing, eating, and merrymaking. Thanks to watch the video. Please subscribe my channel to get more videos about English literature around the world.